Often a shop owner will ask me, hey, what's a good average repair order for my shop? It's very difficult to answer because a shop maybe on the West Coast are approaching well over $1,000, and some shops in maybe a little bit different areas might be a little bit less. Parmelis produced a benchmark report just this past year, and they said on average $702. Now, I know many shops today are well below that. I know, I see them. I can review your reports and we can see that often your average repair order is significantly less. But here's a challenge for you. Take a look at your average repair order. If it's less than that 702 mark, figure out the gap. Do a little math. Now, I know what most shop owners are saying, but Jerry, you don't understand. I live in a tough area. My customers don't have any money. Ron, you had that little button. I'm going to hit the BS button. BS. We've got some shop owners in some challenging areas. My shop was located in Cleveland, Ohio, and I had over a $700 average repair order. Not in a great area. So again, it's all possible. How is it possible? How do you go from that $250 or the $450 average repair order to well over 700? There's some strategies to close the gap. I want to talk about first and foremost a digital vehicle inspection. Show the customer exactly what they need. Why is showing the customer so very important? Do you realize over 70% of the brain's capacity is centered around vision? Think about that. That really adds an exclamation point to the quote saying, seeing is believing. When the customers see it, the trust level goes off the scale. We've already talked about preventative maintenance. There's so much opportunity there, as I mentioned. And again, your customers deserve safe and reliable transportation. And lastly, let's not forget about financing options. It's not just for customers that don't have the money. You're going to be presenting some large tickets to customers. If you can find them a way to get the money, you will have a better chance of closing the sale. Years ago, I was affiliated with Goodyear, and Goodyear had a statistic that showed when somebody used their financing, that Goodyear credit card, you gave customers a lifeline. The average repair order increased by over $400. So you have to have financing options in today's tough market.